This is the AData, the SU760. Now this is a 256 gigabyte one. You could pick whatever storage you want. I would recommend buying as much storage as you can afford. This chip supports the PCI Express 4, so you can get the really, really fast NVMe drives with this. Not necessarily going to be, bottlenecked by that like you would with some of the other boards and chips. So that's what I'm going to have here. I'm going to open it up real quick just so you can take a look at it, what you get. This one, if I remember right, did not come with an adapter. Some laptops, depending on the thickness of the drive, will have an adapter. So I'm going to pull that on the side camera for you guys. So that's the drive, pretty basic. Now, this is where I wanted to tell you about some choices. The AData drives that I've had some reliability issues with the older models. I've had, I think the 500 series that they had and some of the other ones. The one thing I can say about it is they've been very good about warrantying when I have had issues. I'm recommending this one because I think that they do stand by their product, but that's the drive right there. I think these drives are still going to be around a while, even though NVMe is out. They've done some tests and people really can't tell. The one nice thing I'll say about NVMEs, unless you're on some really fancy chipset, that has cooling and all this other stuff, is that they actually do really, really well, except if you have a GPU on top of them. So if you want to be able to swap out your drive or do stuff, if it's mounted on the back of your case, it's a heck of a lot easier to get to than if it's on the motherboard itself. That's the only advantage I could see of doing that. Again, you're going to need separate power and a cable. I've used this one and it's already set up. So that is the hard drive that we're going to use.